Hey guys, it's Shamika coming back at you again with another DIY. So today we're going to talk about how to clean a straw. Many of us have like reusable straws, and sometimes we can't rinse it out right away. So what happens is you get like the leftover residue stuck on the inside. So for those of you who don't know, what you can do to clean the inside is use what's called, they're called pipe cleaners, I believe, but it says on here Chanel packets, I'm sorry, Chanel stems, and it comes in this pack. You can get it from Dollar Tree, Walmart, pretty much not anywhere, but just in a lot of stores like that. So I got this from Dollar Tree for $1, a whole pack. I usually use this around Christmas times. I kind of coil them up and throw them around by the presents. But so anyways, you can take, when you're trying to clean them, actually here's what we'll do. Here's what I'll do. You can take 2 of them, right, and just kind of just twist them up. Try to get that in there good. So just twist it up to make it thicker. Right. Okay, so once you have it twisted up, you then take the straw, or take the Chanel stem and stick it inside of the straw, and you can see it coming out the other end, and you just move it up and down, in and out, just like that. Just do a little straw rotation. Now I'm doing this without soap and water, so usually what I'll do is I'll put some soap, some dishwashing liquid on here and make this nice and soapy, and run some water through the reusable straw, and then I'll go ahead and get to cleaning. And then once I feel like it's all clean, I'll pull it out, or yeah, pull it out. Anyways, I'll rinse the straw and look through the straw with one eye to see if I got everything out. So I'll rinse with hot water, as hot as I can stand it. So yeah, there you have it. Just a quick DIY for cleaning a reusable straw. All right guys, hope that helped you. Have an awesome day. Bye.